a little flurry of snow today, and the birds are absolutely going mad for food, and you can see some of the action. That's just on one bottle. There's one in waiting on the fence, and there's the bag of peanuts is hanging up there in the tree behind. And if we go along to this you've got the peanuts there in the background, and the birds. So it's about a -2 at the moment out there, and then down the fence further over there, we have two more bottles of seed and some more peanuts up in the tree, and it's just manic. And then on the ground over there, don't know if you can see, as soon as they see me they'll fly away, kneeling on the floor with the camera just above the window ledge. Now water's frozen over, of course, but just at the bottom, of course, over there, and in the grass under the seed, there's a can of seed hanging up in the tree. Poor little things, they must be absolutely frozen. Anyway, it's just, they're like mosquitoes at the moment. And it's all little bullfinches, blue tits, a few sparrows. In Lequeux it was nothing but, sparrows, but here we have got a lot of other birds. There we are, 2 waiting. Okay, I've got to go now.